Hey friends, who's hungry? These honey garlic chicken wings are sweet, tangy, and oven baked until perfectly caramelized with a sticky, glossy glaze. Start by grabbing a large mixing bowl. Add 1 cup of balsamic vinegar, 1 cup of honey, 1 cup of brown sugar, and ½ a cup of soy sauce. Whisk everything together until the honey is fully dissolved. Once that's mixed, reserve ½ a cup of the marinade and set it aside for later. Then toss 10 whole garlic cloves cut in half and 4 fresh rosemary sprigs into the bowl with the remaining marinade. Add 4 pounds of chicken drumettes and wing sections and give everything a good mix so the chicken is fully coated. Cover and marinate in the refrigerator for 2 hours, stirring about halfway through so all the wings can soak up that flavor. When you're ready to cook, preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the drumettes and wing sections on a greased, foil-lined baking sheet, then discard the leftover marinade and rosemary. Bake the chicken for 30 to 35 minutes until the chicken is caramelized and starting to get crispy. While the chicken bakes, pour the reserved marinade into a small saucepan and bring it to a boil. In a small bowl, whisk together 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of cold water. Then stir it into the simmering marinade. Let it cook until the sauce thickens to your liking. It will continue to thicken a bit as it cools. Once the chicken is done, pull it out of the oven and brush on the thickened sauce. You can serve the wings right away or pop them back in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes or under the broiler until the glaze is sticky and shiny. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.